as we move on to some more breaking inputs coming in. This is with regards to the questioning of actor cum politician Vijay by the CBI, and of course on the Karur Stampede probe. There's a scoop on Vijay's questioning that's been accessed by CNN News 18. CBI has adopted a tough stance on Vijay. The CBI is taking this tough stance and has not ruled out anyone. In fact, top sources have revealed to CNN News 18 that no hand of God caused the deaths. Either organizers or administrators were responsible. CBI is still collecting evidence. Statements from stakeholders will determine the charge sheet. Vijay, remember, was questioned on day 2 regarding the delays and police allegations, which we will take quickly forward with Arunima, who continues to stay with us. Arunima, remember, yesterday the points that you were sharing was that what led to that 7-hour delay, where was the communication device handed over by police for crowd control, all of those questions obviously indicating towards that tough stance that the CBI has adopted on Vijay.
You know, most importantly, what were we debating all this while? Because Vijay was called in as a witness in this particular case. The debate was whether a case of criminal negligence is made out or not. Or would you treat this just as unfortunate circumstance? Now, what the agency, is concluding, it seems now, the indications are, and that comment that we got from one of those officials who are aware of the investigation, that this is no hand of God matter, essentially saying that it's not the kind of case where you would say it was a natural disaster or something beyond the control of human beings. This is not one such case. What does this comment indicate? That the agency is fast moving towards a position where perhaps a charge sheet will be filed under sections of death by criminal negligence. And if it is death by criminal negligence, 41 people have died. Who's responsible? Vijay would want us to believe that it was completely a failure of Tamil Nadu police, mismanagement by the local administration. Yeah. But the local administration has given video evidence to the CBI, arguing on the contrary, putting the onus on
and that's why I quickly want to bring in on the evidence, the video evidence rather, which has been provided by the police officials, because yesterday the ADG and the IG of Karur were also interrogated simultaneously. So remember, they have referred to particular instances. What has been the police officials' stance so far, Arunima?
They questioned the first time that Vijay was summoned. Their questioning went on simultaneously, but in separate rooms. They were not confronted. At the same time that Vijay was being summoned on day 1, these 2 senior officers were also giving their statements. What we are being told by sources is that they have produced video evidence, and it's publicly available evidence too, where Vijay is speaking to the crowd and then he cuts short his speech and goes back. The question for him was that when you were speaking, when you were making that address, could you not see the stampede-like situation for yourself? Why did you then decide to continue for 7 or 10 minutes? Why did you continue? Because that 7-10 minutes could have worsened the situation. That's the case of the local police. They say Vijay's fan following is such that the crowd was just jostling to catch a glimpse. The moment he would go inside his vehicle, the crowd would try to trample over each other, and that's where children and women became the worst victims. So the first question for Vijay was, why did you decide, even when you were told that the crowd was getting restive, the situation was bad, and you were aware because announcements were made from the vehicle about a missing child, bottles were thrown towards the crowd to calm them down, some of them were dehydrated, and all of this is on camera. So when Vijay was asked, based on the evidence submitted by the police, source-based information that CNN News 18 has suggests that Vijay said he was advised by the police to cut short his speech and withdraw from that area. That's the reason he took that call. That's his version. CBI is examining both sides of the story to see who the charge sheet should hold responsible.
All right. Many thanks to you, Arunima, for bringing us all those latest details to the interrogation of Vijay. On that note, getting in more breaking inputs. In fact, the TVK has now responded. They say the Joint General Secretary CTR Nirmal Kumar has said that Vijay will not be named in the charge sheet. We are cooperating with the investigating agencies. Please refrain from spreading any misinformation. Big response coming in from the TVK Joint General Secretary over there. In fact, Mr. Nirmal Kumar over there mentioning that because they are cooperating with the CBI, that is not the reason why, in fact, that should be able to bring him enough reprieve to not be mentioned in the charge sheet. Arunima continues to stay with us. Arunima, is that reason enough for Vijay to not be mentioned in the charge sheet given the kind of video evidence that the police officials are referring to?
See, first thing first, how will any private individual know what a central probe agency is going to say in the charge sheet? That's question number one. I mean, I think that's more of what the party and Vijay supporters want rather than what CBI is aiming to do. Whether he'll be named in the charge sheet as a suspect, as a witness, whether he'll not be named at all of this are calls that the investigating team will take at a date closer to when they're ready to file the charge sheet. At this stage, we are told what is happening is scrutiny of the statement that Vijay has made, comparing it with the statement that Nirmal Kumar and others who are party functionaries have made to the CBI, and the contrasting viewpoint that the local administration has given. If there are any gaps when the IO is trying to put together the entire chain of conspiracy, if this is a conspiracy they feel, or the chain of circumstantial evidence, if there are any gaps, the first thing they'll have to do is to look for evidence to plug that gap. It could lead to further questioning of Vijay or other party functionaries. So charge sheet will happen. That's the indication we have, but not at this stage. So if anybody, including the party functionaries, say that they have been assured that Vijay is not going to be named in the charge sheet, I think they're jumping the guns. At this stage, CBI says there's no clean sheet to anybody. We're just examining the evidence.
There's also this, all right, I'm sorry, I'll have to leave it at that given that we are running short of time, but many thanks to you, Arunima, for bringing us those details. Let's